Okay, and she's still kicking. Okay. Perfect. There we go. You notice a lot of times when I'm adjusting people, I'll close my eyes because I get a better feel of the actual spinal movement biomechanics. Dr. Dan Murphy in Northern California in Auburn. So there we go. There we go. That's it. Okay. Feel that one all the way down? Okay. So I did that twice on him, and I know you people said, what makes you decide whether to do it once or twice? Believe me, I read all these comments. Okay. This is a Palmer diversified cervical rotary brake. That's it. Yeah, nice deep breath in. There we go. Oh yeah, one more. That's it. That was deeper, wasn't it? That second one?
All the way down.
Yep. Home run. That's what I call my ring dinger. Good job. Okay. Yeah, let me have you completely. Perfect. Yes, sir. I get this towel wrapped around his occiput and C1 and his chin, and I'm going to do a straight vertical pull. Boy, I felt that one all the way down. Did you?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Of course, those of you who have been watching us for a long time know that I call that my ring dinger. Gets everything. There we go. Good. This is just a Palmer diversified cervical rotary brake. Oh yeah, good. Feel that all the way down?
Yes, sir.
All right. That's the ring dinger. And he's still kicking. All right. Now Chuck's had some issues with his eyes and his, oh yeah, and his, keep your teeth together, yeah, let it all out and relax, there you go. Oh yeah. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
All right. That was my ring dinger, and he is still kicking, yep. Okay. I'm sorry about my cold fingers. Good. And this is a Palmer. Okay, good. There we go. Muhammad flew down here from Omaha, Nebraska. Oh yeah, good. Feel that all the way down?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good. Good deal. Okay. Perfect. That's it. Good. So we're going to wrap this around her chin and her occiput. Take a nice deep breath in. Let it all out. Oh yeah, good. Feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Get these out of here. So we decompressed her entire spine, and we're having to break up some fibrotic adhesions in and around the, there we go. I know I'm not supposed to talk while I'm doing the popping, so all you crack addicts can hear everything. Time during the pregnancy, Anthony or his wife?
Probably my wife.
Yeah, she probably has a good thing to say on video. There we go. Boy, that's a home run. See? Tell you can get some good sound effects out, Anthony. Ooh, that was a home run. And he is still kicking. Alright. Perfect. I've got one more here, Anthony. Tilt left just a little. There you go. Okay. Patient. Oh, yeah. You feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. And he's kicking a little bit. Okay. There we go. There.